Good morning. Happy Saturday. Today, Bath and Body Works is having their first body care sale today. I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been following me for a while now or since day one? Thank you for always coming back and checking my channel out. I really appreciate it. Also, y'all, don't forget to watch my entire video, thumbs up the video, and leave comments at the bottom. Let's get this one going. I actually wasn't gonna go to this sale. I don't need no Bath and Body Works body care, and I got tons of body lotion, body spray, stuff I never use. So that's the reason why I really wasn't gonna go to this sale. But since it's the first one, I said why not. Hopefully, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that some of my stores have some of that cocoa, what is it, cocoa shea moisture or cocoa shea stuff, because that's actually what I really want. Bath and Body Works used to sell my all-time favorite hand lotion, and I don't even think I have any in the car, because as you see, I have tons of lotion in this car. 3 bottles, it might be more in here. But yeah, so you know, I got tons of this stuff, but I really miss my True Blue, or what is, oh my god, I used to love that Lay It On Thick moisturizer, all time favorite, and they don't have it anymore. I don't know, but when I was online, I did see something that had the same name, but I'm not sure if it's the same stuff. So therefore I said I'm gonna go and I'm gonna see. I might just grab a couple of items, not too much. I only have this coupon. This is the only coupon I have. Well, actually I have an email coupon for 20%, which is not really much. So I really was gonna save this for the annual sale, but hopefully we'll get some more before that sale come through. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna get on up. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long because I don't want this intro to be like super long. So yeah, let's make our way. I think my store opened up at like 8 o'clock, and I'm probably about 20 minutes away. And it's raining, and it's cold. Jeez. So let's get this started. Oh my god, yeah, I didn't think they would be this crowded. I can't do it. I can't. Let me turn these off. I guess it's not that crowded, but it's crowded. I don't know if I could do this sale. This line would be this long at all. I really didn't. Oh my gosh, yeah. Not that long, but long enough. Okay, y'all, a young lady drove past and said another place don't have a lot of people, so I'm gonna go there, because like I said, I really don't need nothing, to be honest. And to wait in that line for that long, that line was 30 minutes. That line was 30 minutes. Then it was 25 minutes to check out. I just want the shea, the cocoa shea moisture, and she had told me, the lady had told me that's all they had was like the lotion. So I'm like, you know, it's a chance that I might not get it, and then to stand in that long line for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, no. I'm going to the different one. I'm going to the one in the mall. They're probably not crowded because it's showing online that they don't open. It shows that they're not opening until 10 o'clock. So that's the reason why that one is probably not packed. But hopefully I could go over here and get my shea, cocoa shea stuff. Fingers crossed on this one. Fingers crossed. So we gonna see. Okay, y'all, I'm hurt. I don't even know where to go, to be honest. Hopefully these doors open. good. They are. Oh my goodness, look at that. Nobody. I can't believe it. Man, I'm so happy that lady told me. Which way to the Coco?
Coco Shea?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on over.
Let me get a basket.
What you looking for, love?
I'm just gonna look.
Go for it, go.
Thank you.
Of course.
They got everything that I'm looking for, which is surprising. They have a lot of the stuff that I'm looking for, which I am totally surprised. And I'm so glad I came to this one. So glad. Y'all just don't know. Now I'm gonna end up spending too much money. Look at my basket, y'all. I don't even plan on getting all this stuff. Let's see. Okay, y'all, I'm done. I'm gonna get in this line. I know, y'all. I said I was coming for a little bit of stuff, but I ended up getting way too much. I'm in line right now. As you see, I'm next. Okay, y'all, I'm checking out, which is, I'm so happy I came over here.
Alright, $76.39 is your total. Those are expired.
I'm in the grace period time. Okay, yeah, we're having a little issues with the 20% coupon because I'm within the grace period, so. Okay, y'all, I'm done. Yay. I am so happy I listened to that lady when she said this store didn't have no customers. I am so happy. As y'all seen, I had time to record. I had time to smell stuff and decide if I'm gonna get it or not get it or whatever. I am so happy I came to this store. And remember, I only wanted to come for I wanted to get some of these products. This is the only product I wanted, was this Coco Shea stuff. And the other store said the only thing that they had was lotion. So I was still taking a chance at that store. So I am so happy I got out of that line, because this store had everything. Nobody was in that line. I mean, in the store. So I actually spent way more than what I wanted to spend. And I actually asked the lady for some extra coupons. So now I think I have like 4 of these coupons. So yeah, this would be good for the semi-annual sale. I guess when I get home, I'll show y'all exactly what I got. Okay, y'all, I wanted to come in and show y'all what I got. Like I told y'all earlier, only thing I really wanted was this brand, this Coco Shea brand. I absolutely love the way these Coco Shea products smell. And as you see, I have the honey. I think they have a different scent. I'm not sure. But this is the only thing that particular store had. This right here smells amazing. Smells so good. Oh my goodness. So this is basically what I got. This is the body wash. I actually thought that this was lotion for some reason. yeah. Let me. Yep, I got the moisturizing body wash. This is lotion. This is the Shea, the Cocoa Shea Honey moisturizing 24-hour moisturizing lotion. Now this, I absolutely love this, but as y'all see, this is the old stuff. Favorite lotion ever. I love this lotion, and they discontinued it, so that's why I kind of been on a hunt to find some other kind of lotion. And this is, I think I got maybe 2 more bottles. So when I seen that they had this, as you see, it's the same name, Lay It On Thick, and it's just that it's not the True Blue Spa collection anymore. I guess they just, I don't know. I guess it's just part of their Shea line, I guess. I don't know. So I bought 2 bottles of this just to see if it's just like the stuff that I truly love. So yeah, I got 2 bottles of that. And I got some foot cream, and I got the overnight moisturizer. This is a hand lotion, and this is another hand lotion. It's the paraffin. It's for hands, nails, and cuticle, and I most definitely need this. I don't even know how much this retails for. Oh, this retails for $14.50. Yeah, this is the first time I ever seen this. I've never seen this. And then I got the cracked heel treatment stuff. Never seen this before, so I figured I'd get it. And then they got the 60-second manicuring hand scrub. And then I got some more of this hyaluronic acid. I guess that's how you pronounce that. Hydrating cream. I don't really like this. I don't know. I don't really like this lotion. And then, you know what it could be? It could be because of the other one I got is gel. Let me go get that one. These are the ones that I already have. And maybe I don't like it because it's gel. And I don't like it. It's just, I don't know. It just don't do good for me. But I got these on I think when they did that last semi-annual sale is when I got this. It was some kind of sale that I got these 2 in. And I said I would never purchase it again because I really don't like it. Because I'm so used to, I like a thick moisturizer. I love me a thick lotion that lasts all day. I mean, well, not all day, but yeah. So that's the reason why I like this. And the lady told me that these will work like this, and it actually don't. But that's the reason why I only bought just one. I've never seen this rose water. I didn't even know they had a different fragrance of this line. But one thing I can say, I love the way this smells. It has a really nice fresh smell. I love that. That's one thing I do really enjoy about the blue ones. Now the pink one is pretty good. The rose water, it smells pretty good too. I started to go back into the store to get more of this. I don't even know why I didn't. I should have. And this is what the inside of that looks like. So creamy. Oh my God, I don't even want to waste it. And this is what the heel cracking treatment looks like. It's like a really thick, yeah, it's a thick cream. And this is the 60-minute hand scrub, and it's a sugar. It's basically a sugar with low, yeah. So yeah, y'all, that's my whole entire haul. That's everything I got. Also, with the order, they giving these coupons out still. And I actually asked the lady for 2, and she gave me 2, which I was happy. So now I think I have a total of 4. And the coupon I use my email coupon, the 20% off. So these were basically $4 a piece. So I spent like $60 on all this stuff. Minus that. Don't count the blue. Yeah, I spent about $60 on all of this. Wait. Yep, $60 on this stuff. So yeah, that's my haul. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments at the bottom, y'all. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.